This is the details view for the eClient application in beta namespace from the remote West cluster. This information is retrieved from the remote call to the Kubernetes API and the unified metrics in Prometheus filtering by cluster. Just for the multi-cluster installation, when Kiali detects other remote clusters, we will see the cluster badge in the application description, indicating the cluster where the application is installed. The health is also available. The cluster badge is also in the details graph, just for the remote clusters. We can navigate to other components of the application, even if they are in a remote cluster, as the cluster is sent internally as a parameter. Going back to the view, we will go to see the traffic of the reviews application. We are seeing an additional column that indicates the cluster. As we see, metrics are also available for the remotes and also the traces. In the list of applications, there is a new column for the cluster. We can order the list by this column too. From the details graph, we can navigate to the workload that is deployed in another cluster. The same additional information is shown when Kiali detects that there is more than one cluster. We can see the cluster indicator in the details and also in the graph. All the available information is also shown for the remote workloads. The logs, the metrics, and also Envoy. The same information is also available for the remote services. The cluster column